Hello YouTubers and welcome. This is a little speaker that came out of a old telephone. This is a ATOM 0.5 watt made in Taiwan speaker. This is going to be a candidate for the speaker blowout, but this is just going to be a sound test with the sound at maxed and bass at maxed. So just a general sound test with max bass, max treble. As you can see, there's where the volume is. This is the song I'm going to be using in all the videos, so that's what the song's called. If you want to download it, just let me know in the comments down below if you use this song in a video, because I'm just curious. But let's begin. This song has pretty good bass as well. Wear headphones for good bass. And this is the first of the rest of these to come. Sorry about that, guys. I hate when stuff goes in the way. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed the video of this speaker, and goodbye.